Oh, it's outstanding. It's just another step in safety for the public and our crews to get out there and have that immediate alert system so that they know something's up ahead.
It's called Safety Cloud, powered by HAAS Alert. It's an advanced collision alert service applying technology already used by drivers. Roadside Mainroad Lower Mainland Contracting highway maintenance workers can quickly and easily let motorists know they are stopped on the highway ahead, adding an extra layer of protection when it comes to staying safe on the roads.
Safety's number one. I mean, over the years we've gotten lots of different new things like our crash attenuator, Scorpion trailers, this system. It's working to the future to get safer and safer out there on that highway. It's scary. If anybody's ever had to stop on the highway, they know.
Each highway maintenance emergency response vehicle is equipped with a transponder. That transponder sends a digital alert to the traveling public via the Waze or Apple navigation map as soon as the emergency response vehicle's rotary lights are activated. These digital alerts let drivers know there's an emergency or hazard ahead, giving them more time and warning to slow down and move over or take an alternate route.
We have a preset message. Usually it's a tow truck, so it's tow truck ahead. And once the incident's cleared and the rotaries are deactivated, then the message clears from Waze or the HAAS Alert system.
The early warning system works in conjunction with stakeholder notifications, Drive BC reports, and signage when it comes to letting the motoring public know about scheduled road maintenance. But when crews are on the highway responding to unplanned work, such as an incident or emergency, there hasn't been a way to immediately alert drivers in real time. Until now.
A lot of times you come across an incident or a piece of debris on the road, you don't have time in a 5-lane highway to put up a sign. You're activating your rotaries, which activates the HAAS Alert, and you can get that debris off the road safely before someone else gets injured or you trying to pick it up. It makes it safer for our guys, for the public, and it allows it to, when it's pretty scary when you got to stop out in the road there, and if nobody knows, this is a system that's immediately going to notify people so that, yes, people do know.
The crew feels a little more comfortable with knowing that that system's in the vehicle. That's a pretty cool piece of technology that gives them some comfort that there's just another tool that we've got to keep them safe.
It gives them more of an advance notice other than just maybe 1 or 2 traffic radio stations, or maybe they can see your lights ahead, making our job a lot safer and allow me to get home safe to my family.
It makes me feel safe. It gives me that security that I know when I step out of the vehicle that somebody knows I'm out there before they have to visually see it, whether it's a blind corner or anything like that, and is hopefully going to watch out and slow down and move over.
When you see us, please slow down and move over. It makes us safer and keeps you safer.
There is never one safety tool that is going to absolutely protect, but if you have multiple layers of tools, it's just providing a better chance that there's going to be a successful outcome, that everybody's going to go home safe. We'll continue to look for products out there to help to keep our people safe.